It is matter of very
Another half an hour.
and also your train is going there.
Yes, sir.
Train is going. Yes, this is the train.
That is the train.
Yeah.
Connectivity will be given.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that they will go have experience.
That's correct.
That is a very big resort. You
Very
can make
big.
it.
Yes, sir.
All varieties.
World's best resort. It
Yeah.
can come.
Yeah.
I will work on that.
Yeah, you work it out.
Yes, sir.
You send me details.
I will.
I will also go through.
Okay.
Then we will build the best.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Sir, this is the drone which we are manufacturing in Hyderabad for the defense. This is for his major.
I'm Commander Srikanth. I'm ex-naval Indian Navy, and then I've joined JSW. So this particular drone is called VBAT, and it is in a joint venture with Shield AI, which is a Texas-based company. Presently, manufacturing will be commencing soon in Hyderabad, and we are the manufacturing partners for Shield AI. The drone is mainly used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it can go up to a height of about 18,000 feet, can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with SATCOM capabilities, and it is mainly used for by defense forces for intelligence, surveillance, and can be fitted with a EOIR camera, sir, on the nose and with a radar on the belly. And it can fly up till 12 hours of, it has an endurance.
And it can take off from the truck.
And
From the back of the truck, this can take off out from the ship.
And from a ship, sir, from a moving platform, it can take off and land. It takes off vertically, does the entire mission horizontally, and then lands
How
back.
far you are very strong in drone technology?
Sir, as of now, we are good, sir. We have their technology for...
Not only this, what I am asking, both civilian application and defense application, both will have to work together. I started Drone City itself.
Oh.
Is in Orvakallu, in between Ballari and here.
Sir, we are
okay.
presently flying from Orvakal, sir. We are, JSW
That
is the
is what
first
I am
company.
asking
Yes,
you.
sir.
Why can't you start both commercial and pilots training, everything?
Training already we started from Oracle, sir. Training for this one.
Training we are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing also if you can start from
20 ఎకరాలు
Orvakallu.
అడిగారు సార్ పెద్దగా అడగబడి
We should have gone there
20
only.
ఎకరాలు అడిగారు ఎక్కువ అడగమని చెప్పారు
No, 20 or 50 acres I am prepared to give.
Ah.
You make it drone your hub.
Yeah.
That is the future. Even transportation of all our vegetables, fruit,
Should happen with drone.
అంబులెన్స్ ట్రైనింగ్
ambulance.
That is the future.
Even I am working ambulance,
Ambulance.
drone ambulance, and also transport drone taxi.
Oh, drone taxi. Within the city. Ah.
Now I want to make in Amaravati. There is some helipads.
Okay.
There, drone helipad. Anybody can drop there and then they will move.
Yeah.
సార్ డ్రోన్ సిటీ ఆల్సో సార్ హెస్ టోల్డ్ టు బిల్డ్ 1 kilometer air strip sir. We have an airstrip available, so that is an advantage because you can test there
In
only.
future.
Correct. In that.
Drone city Kurnool, and it's a separate
Orvakallu
airspace
you
we
are
are
using.
creating.
Yes, sir.
There I am making.
It's a
also.
separate airspace sir, up to you can go up to 10,000 meters.
Okay.
Separate airspace we are creating.
Future is drone.
Yeah.
Future is space and electronics.
Yeah.
Aerospace.
Correct.
You are having patience. You concentrate on aerospace.
Aerospace. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your administration sir. We could get the Kurnool base operational in a record time,
Yeah.
and it is the only base which is operational in India.
No, I want to make it real time. We will.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
We'll make it out.
Please.
No, you be in touch our people.
Yes,
So
sir.
put that.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, sir, you will.
Yes, sir.
Come.
All the three plants are inaugurated, sir. Steel, energy, and the industrial park.
Three. Yes. Very nice.
Yes.
Good beginning.
Yes, sir.
Lot to be done.
Yeah, lots to be done. Yes. This is for group.
గ్రూప్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ సెషన్ లో